Waterproof and weatherproof nylon cover that works flawlessly in all conditions. Made from vulcanized natural rubber and organic cotton canvas enhanced by a thin layer of structural textile for added resilience. Uniquely flexible, maintenance-free, waterproof top is designed to follow the rider's movements to deliver immediate comfort and ease of use. Updated fiberglass reinforced backplate that has loops for a saddlebag or other accessory. Sturdy weight at 450 g that supports as a stable top for the bikes. Designed to absorb shocks and smooth out the ride. Top reviews from the United States. For my butt, this is the best saddle ever sold. Like most road cyclists, I've tried many saddles over the course of many years. I've had various levels of success, but my best experiences have been with Brooks. I have one B17, and it's a great saddle too, but it's heavy, and requires a lot of care. It's also susceptible to wet conditions. This is the third Cambium C17 that I have purchased. The vulcanized rubber is impervious to weather, it's lighter in weight than its leather counterpart and is equally comfortable. I've ridden many long rides, 100 or more miles, in reasonable comfort. No saddle can be 100% comfortable over those distances, but this one is as close as I've ever come. I ride the carved all-weather version. I find it durable and it seems to reduce pressure on the sensitive bits. Everybody is different, but for me, this is hands down the best saddle there is. Money well spent.